All right, moving on to triplets and eighth notes. Let's play a B-flat Dorian scale. That's going to be a B-flat minor scale with a raised 6. So that's B-flat, C, D-flat, E-flat, F, G natural, A-flat, B. Our left hand, we're going to be playing a B-flat minor chord to an E-flat major, and that's in second inversion. If you wanted to, you could also add that 7 on top, but we're going to keep it simple. Now, for our syncopation exercise, we're going to change two things. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to swing our eighth notes. So instead of playing eighth notes like 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, we're going to bounce them 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Really common in jazz or swing music, right? The second thing we're going to do is we're going to try a different type of grid. So this is a really long exercise, takes a long time to get through this page. Maybe you don't have all day to do it, so we can just distill that down into this, which is what I call a stacking grid, where instead of moving these triplets through the measure, we just add another triplet, then we add another one, and then we've got 4 here, and then we take 1 away from the beginning, we take 2 away, and we take 3 away. So it makes the whole thing a lot shorter. We're going to take everything at 105. If that's too fast for you, slow it down with YouTube's slow down feature. Click on the little gear, and let's get going. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4.